Here we have a problem. It says simplify the expression. We have 3a plus 6b plus 2a minus 4b. The first thing we need to do is to collect like terms. That is, the variables having the a goes to one side and the one having the b goes to the other side. So I start. 3a, this is having plus 2a. Okay, then the 6 now, 6b minus 4b. Okay, so 3a plus 2a is 5a plus 6b minus 4b is 2b. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching.